Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, if you're a real estate agent and you're in an area where you have no inventory or inventory is very slight, which is frankly the United States of America, we're all dealing with that right now. What I want to do is show you an approach that can get you some immediate listings in today's market. I mean, think about this for a minute. Do you know why sellers aren't listing their home? It's because the market is too hot. I mean, think about this for a minute. Let's say, for instance, I'm sitting in an intersection with my car. I've got a great, highly desirable car. Guy rolls down his window and he says, "I'll give you market value for your car right now." What the hell am I going to drive, right? Well, I'll give you 10% more than your car is worth right now. You want me to just get out at the intersection and I'll take a bus down to the dealership? And worse, the dealerships don't have any inventory right now? That's what's happening in the housing market. There's a lot of people that are thinking about moving. They'd love to take advantage of the low interest rates, but the problem is they can't find a home to move to. As real estate agents, we always think, list your home first, and then we'll go out and we'll look for houses because nobody's going to take a home sale contingency. We got to have your home on the market first. Well, let me tell you something. If you put their home on the market today, it's probably going to sell tomorrow. The reason they're not moving is because everybody that's thinking of selling is a buyer first. They're thinking, where am I going to move to? So they'll look around on Zillow and Realtor.com and they're like, I'm not finding much that we like. We'll just stay where we are for a couple of years. So that's a big, big problem. So what you need to do is help them out on the buy side first. Here with Greg Luther Inner Circle, all of the agents that I coach around the country, we show them how to use what we call a dream home finder. What that is we will find off-market properties, pre-market homes that those clients can look at before they ever hit the open market. So I'll give you kind of a high level of how this works. Now, by the way, do you think this would make a big difference for you? If you could actually get them to fall in love with the next home, and more importantly, they're looking at properties that are not available to the general public, of course they're then going to be willing to sell their home. So here's how it works. We'll meet with the client. Tell them how much their home is worth. Tell them how much they'll clear if they sell. They're going to tell you they're not looking to sell unless they have a place to move to. Okay, what do you want to move to? What's your perfect home? What area, price range, school district? Do you want a fenced yard? Do you need a style of home? What are you looking for here? We will go out and use our proprietary marketing to say, hey, I got a buyer that wants to buy your house. Now, the sellers like that because they're like, if you've got a buyer and I don't need to list my property, that's a significant benefit for us. So we were kind of thinking about selling. If they'll give us our price, of course we can sell. We can then take those clients out, show them those 5 or 6 or 7 houses that respond to us. We're literally showing them unlisted homes. It's not pocket listings. They're not listed with us. They're unlisted properties that are willing to move. I can get that client to fall in love with that house, then they're willing to sell their home. But let me tell you, if you go knock on your neighbor's door right now and you say, I'll give you market value for your house. No, I don't have anywhere to go. Well, I'll give you 10% more than your house is worth. No, I don't have anywhere to go. I'll give you 15% more. No, I don't have anywhere to go. And what a lot of agents will do will say, well, I can sell your home really fast. We can close in like 10 days. They're like, that's even worse. How does that sound good? I can't pack my shit that quickly. So you have to get into your client's shoes and realize that they are a buyer before they are a seller. Again, I would never sell my car in the middle of an intersection and then take a bus to the dealership and then when I get to the dealership realize they have no inventory. I'll just keep the car I've got for now. Housing is exactly the same way. They're not going to sell their house, not at any price. Stop telling them they can sell at peak value unless you can show them the home that they're going to be moving to. So we teach a lot of that inside Greg Luther Inner Circle. As a matter of fact, if you're not a member with us yet, I see a lot of you that are watching right now. Thanks so much for joining. Leave a comment here with us. Let us know if you are a member with us or if you're utilizing this approach. So what you'll find is on this description in this video is a link of a 40-minute training that will show you how you can start closing a lot more business for yourself using free marketing. So you don't have to worry about needing money. You can use totally free marketing in order to make that work for you. But the Dream Home Finder is one that's working really well right now because I'm telling you, as of this point, sellers aren't selling if they can't find a place to move to. And the first thing they're doing is going to Zillow or Realtor.com or Trulia or whatever, and they can't find anything they're interested in, so they'll keep the house that they have. That's the problem we're having right now, and it's the reason so many of our agents are taking massive amounts of listing inventory. They're getting lots of listings simply because they've already helped that client in a buyer's side of the transaction in finding the home that they'd want to move to. So let me ask you, is this kind of stuff helpful for you? Getting your mindset right to know exactly how you need to market yourself? If this is helpful for you, I want you to hit the like button here. Make sure you're following our page and turn on notifications. And here's a cool idea. What if you tag a realtor friend? What if you type in your realtor friend's name here in the comments so that they can actually see a video that will help them, because their problem right now is they have no inventory. Like, let me tell you a nightmare scenario. You get yourself 6 buyers that you need to work with right now. That is horrible, because that's at least 30 offers that you need to write, which means it's at least 60 to 70 homes you need to show. It's a bad situation. You're on the wrong side of the transaction. So I want you to think about right now, if you can be on the right side of the transaction, get yourself some listings by first picking up that client as a buyer and showing them unlisted homes in your area. We've got the whole postcard campaign, exactly what to say, how to market that out there. So it's only 17 cents a house in postage. I think it's 18 cents a house for postage to get it out there and to find these sellers willing to sell. By the way, the good news, you get both sides of the transaction on the one you're selling them, and then you list their house. You get 3 transaction sides for every single deal that you do. So hopefully this is helpful for you. It's what we teach with Greg Luther Inner Circle, along with dozens and dozens of other things. But it's a very easy approach you can use today, in today's market, to get more signs in the yards. Frankly, you'll never even get the sign out. It's going to be sold immediately. I want to help you with growing your business as well. Go to getfastclosings.com. Type it in your browser right now. Right at the top, I want you to type in www.getfastclosings.com. You'll see a brand new presentation, by the way. I'm just recording this. This is a brand new presentation. You'll notice new pictures, new headline, all of that stuff. GetFastClosings.com is an awesome training that will show you what to do in today's market. Let's call it post-pandemic. What to do to generate some immediate revenue for yourself. And that's going to come from the listing side of the transaction. So again, hit the like button here. Make sure you're following our page and turn on notifications. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a whiteboard presentation. I've got just around the corner here, I've got a huge whiteboard. We call it the big ass whiteboard. Got an awesome presentation to show you how to sell more houses. You're not going to know about it unless you're following our page. Like this page here now. Like this video and follow our page. Make sure you tag somebody, get them the information as well, and I'm going to see you on the whiteboard tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get you some listings. Go to getfastclosings.com. I'm Greg Luther. Go sell some houses. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.